What's up, how y'all doing? Welcome back to the channel, another banger episode. So we got kind of something different today. I don't know if you guys ever met Sean. He's one of my best friends, and yeah, he has a brand new 2022 Toyota 4Runner. So he wanted to make it sound a little spicier, so I went ahead and talked to my people, and Flowmaster went ahead and hooked him up with the dump pipe kit is what they call it. And yeah, this guy is pretty much gonna delete his whole exhaust system just to have this, and it's high clearance so you could go off-roading, makes the car sound much nicer, very easy to install. So yeah, we're just now waiting for him to show up so we can get it going. So for all you wondering, this is the part number for it. If you're looking to get one for yourself, this is it. All right, so now you guys saw the montage of the 4Runner. This is Sean, if y'all haven't seen him. Hey! But we showed you guys the exhaust already in the intro, but this is pretty much it. So let's get under the car and show you guys this honky that you have to take off. So you have your OEM cats, which is right here, and there's another one on that side. Leave that alone. So you got these two bolts. They're size 14 mil. Put the 14 mil with a breaker bar. You can break it. Be careful, you don't want to snap the bolt. I've read they're easy to snap. Not that you can't replace it, you can just go to hardware store and buy a new bolt, but just be careful. We got this Mondingo muffler here, which we're gonna delete. As you guys can see, the hangers are right there. There's two more in the front over there, and then you have your tailpipe, which is right here, and they obviously use up into here, and then there's another bracket right there that holds this piece together. Gonna want it to get that loose because I don't think you're gonna be able to pull this whole assembly out without making it loose. Or you can, you're just making your own life harder. But yeah, there's also I think another hanger right here too, which you're gonna need to take off. But pretty much after we're done with the exhaust, you won't have a tailpipe anymore. It's just gonna dump out right under the passengers. So your passengers are gonna have a shaky ass. But yeah, this video goes for any Tundra from, I think, not Tundra, man, I'm so used to Blake's truck. For any 4Runner that I think that goes from 2014 to 2022. Y'all saw on the part number on the box, it said the years. So if you have something like this, your car's a V6, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so V6 models. I think they're all V6, I don't know. I'm a Nissan guy, I only have one Toyota, so I'll get it. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So let's get to it. All right, so that's the whole exhaust system. As the internet said, it was very easy to do, but also a pain in the ass kind of. So when you guys want to do this, you're gonna need to bring this tire down in order to be able to squeeze the muffler out in this area, because it's not gonna come out. But yeah, that's it. So the difference now, obviously a ton of weight, because this big muffler easily weighs like 30 pounds. You have this whole piece that silences it, and then this area, which is useless, so comparison to the kits. But yeah, pretty much the install is very, very straightforward. This piece is what is here. As you guys can see, it's angled just like this. It goes heads and goes in, and then this slides right into that or over it, and that's where this hose clamp comes in place, which you'll slap on around it. If you guys ever watched the Tome install videos for the Z or the Subi, it's the same concept. Very nice system. And then also transfer over all your bushings to the new system. And if you don't have the tool, hit me up if you're looking for one. We sell these, and this just makes it very easy. So let's demonstrate how it's done. Go ahead and put this here, line it up, and just like that, removed. Hit me up, these are 25 bucks. Save yourself time and effort. All right, so first you start with this. I'm gonna come under here, put y'all down, this one. Sorry about that. So yeah, just wiggle this fitting on, not fitting, bushing on, and then put your hardware on. Hand tight first, then go at it with the wrench. Don't use a gun too hard, you will snap this bolt. All right, so everything is on now. You want to get those spring bolts pretty much tightened to where it's just tight. All the fittings are in through the clamp on. That's our new exhaust. All right, it's ready for its first startup. You crank it.
Ready?
Yeah. How exciting. Nice. Nice and subtle in the beginning. Let me hear it rev. It's throaty now. No exhaust leaks. Looking good. Anyways, Sean's out of here now. And it's just us. But yeah, any of you 4Runner guys, if you want to do the Flowmaster, it's a really good system. It works out really well. Sean liked it. Anyways, hopefully this video helps any of y'all. Thanks. Peace. See y'all in the next one.